If I had to start making money online from scratch with absolutely no resources and just a burning desire to succeed, these are the 7 beginner-friendly income streams I'd jump into headfirst. These are strategies that are accessible, require minimal upfront investment, and can generate real income. And the best part? You can start today. No need to wait for the perfect moment or acquire specialized skills. The opportunity is ripe for the taking, right now. Whether you're hustling before work, squeezing in a few hours before the day officially begins, or you want to build a real side business, something that could potentially replace your full-time job and give you true financial freedom. Let's break down your options, explore the potential of each, and give you a clear roadmap to start earning. First up, print on demand. This is a fantastic way to unleash your creativity and turn it into a revenue stream. Imagine designing simple t-shirts, sweatshirts, or coffee mugs from your laptop, expressing your unique style and catering to specific niches. Simply drop your art or catchy phrases onto platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. These platforms act as your storefront and production partners. Then sit back and relax. They handle the printing, ensuring high-quality products, the shipping, getting your designs to customers worldwide, even customer service, dealing with inquiries and returns. No inventory to manage, no headaches dealing with logistics, just passive profit with every sale. It's a truly hands-off way to generate income. Number 2, freelancing. This is where your existing skills can shine and be monetized. You've probably got a skill you can offer, something you're good at and enjoy doing. Maybe it's writing compelling articles, creating stunning graphic designs, lending your voice for voiceover projects, or providing accurate and reliable translation services. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you to clients worldwide, providing a platform to showcase your talents and find paying gigs, and the possibilities are endless. There's a demand for almost every skill imaginable. Pick your gig, carefully select the services you want to offer, set your price, determining your worth and value, and earn from anywhere, even your couch. Freelancing offers unparalleled flexibility and freedom. Third, affiliate marketing. This is a powerful way to leverage your online presence and influence. If you love posting on YouTube, creating engaging TikTok videos, or curating inspiring Pinterest boards, this one's definitely for you. It's a natural extension of what you already enjoy doing. Simply share links to products you actually use and genuinely believe in, and get paid a commission every time someone buys through your link. It's a win-win situation. Amazon Affiliates is just the start. There are countless affiliate programs across various niches. Build trust with your audience, recommend what you believe in, providing honest and valuable reviews, and watch those commissions add up over time. It's a snowball effect. Fourth, drop shipping. This is your gateway to the world of e-commerce without the hassle of inventory management. Want to sell trending products, capitalize on popular demand, but never touch the inventory, avoiding storage costs and logistical nightmares? That's drop shipping in a nutshell. Use Shopify to build your store, creating a professional and user-friendly online storefront. Source products from AliExpress or other suppliers, finding reliable partners to fulfill your orders, and focus on marketing, driving traffic to your store, and converting visitors into paying customers. The rest, packing, shipping, returns, is all automated, handled by your suppliers. You scale fast without the risk of unsold stock, allowing you to experiment with different products and niches. Fifth, selling digital products. This is a fantastic way to leverage your expertise and create a sustainable income stream. Turn your knowledge into ebooks, practical templates, useful planners, or innovative AI prompts. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it incredibly easy to upload and sell your digital creations, with no shipping costs to worry about and virtually zero overhead. You create once, put in the initial effort, and profit over and over again as customers purchase your products. Sixth, content creation. This is where you can share your voice, build a community, and monetize your passion. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok account, sharing your thoughts, talents, and experiences with the world. Focus on something you're genuinely passionate about. Finance, travel, fashion, cooking, gaming, anything that excites you. As you build an audience, attracting viewers who resonate with your content, you'll unlock various monetization options, including ad revenue from platforms, lucrative brand sponsorships, and even the opportunity to launch your own merch line. It's a long game requiring consistent effort and dedication, but the rewards are real and can be life-changing. And it all starts with your story, your unique perspective, and your willingness to share it with the world. Seventh, AI-powered side hustles. This is where you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to create new income streams. The future's already here, and AI is rapidly transforming the way we work and live. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for content generation, Midjourney for creating stunning AI art, or InVideo for effortless video editing. To offer in-demand services, high-quality content writing, professional logo creation, engaging video production, businesses are hungry for AI-powered solutions, seeking ways to improve efficiency and productivity, and you can deliver valuable solutions even as a beginner with limited experience. Now here's the truth, the unvarnished reality you need to hear. You don't need to be a tech genius or possess advanced coding skills to succeed online, or wait for the perfect moment because it will never arrive. The time to act is now. Start small with just one of these income streams. Pick one of these channels that resonates with you and aligns with your interests and skills. Learn as you go, embracing the process of continuous improvement and skill development. Your journey to online income, to financial freedom and independence starts with that first step, that initial leap of faith. Today, don't delay, don't procrastinate, start building your future right now. So if you want more tips like this, more actionable strategies and valuable advice, hit subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. And let's build your online income together, creating a brighter and more financially secure future for you.